Hi everyone, it's time to start the Versus series. You know, the inspiration for this series was actually the battle between the Type R and the M3. And I must say, in the end, although these are two completely different cars, they are also very similar. What is the ultimate daily driver? In my opinion, this car behind me, the M3 2021 with a manual transmission, is the ultimate daily performance car. I'm more than sure that you also have nice cars, and that's why I want to start this series. It's not about a battle between my M3 and another car. Of course, we could compare some Dragy data, but it's not about that. It's about a performance car that is also very usable in your daily life. Going to work, take your children to the school, going shopping, transporting some big stuff in the trunk. It could be a four-wheel drive car like a Golf GTI, an all-wheel drive car like a Golf R, or even an M3 with the X-Drive package. But it also could be a performance Jeep. I don't know, something like an AMG, or maybe something like a Trailhawk, who knows what you guys will say it's the best daily driver. But in the end, it's about comparing. I have some ideas here, some colleagues of mine, some neighbors that I will talk to, but I want to open officially the series, and it's all about filming one day together with you and your car and to compare it like I did with the Type R. Write me a private message on Instagram, or just reply when the video is up and tell me what is your car and why do you believe it's really the ultimate daily driver. Of course, it would help if you are from Germany, then we can meet and film these two cars in the battle. Can't wait to see, guys, what you will propose.